Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you set up your Trezor Safe 3. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, open your web browser and navigate to Trezor.io/start. This official page will guide you through the initial steps, ensuring a smooth and secure start to your hardware wallet journey. Let's get started. After connecting, your Trezor Safe 3 will likely prompt you to install the latest firmware. This is a crucial security step, so please proceed. Once updated, you'll be asked to give your device a unique name. Choose something memorable but not easily guessable. Always confirm the name directly on your Trezor screen to prevent any potential errors.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your home setup even smoother. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now comes the most critical part: generating your 12-word recovery seed phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so treat it with extreme care. Write down each word precisely on the recovery sheet included in your Trezor box. Double-check every word for accuracy. Then, store this sheet in a highly secure private location, away from prying eyes. Next, you'll create a strong personal identification number, or PIN, for your Trezor Safe 3. This PIN protects your device from unauthorized access during daily use. Choose a combination that is difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. You will confirm this PIN directly on your Trezor screen. Keep it secure, as you'll need it often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.